Myself Vedant Tarange. So let us begin with construction of centrifugal governor. It consists of two fly balls which are located at the end of the arms. The upper part of these two arms are pivoted to the spindle. This spindle is driven by the engine through bevel gears. The lower part of arm are connected to the sleeves, which moves upwards and downwards. As the balls moves upwards and downwards, the sleeve has stopper which are provided at up and down of sleeves. To limit this movement, the sleeve is connected to the throttle valve through bell crank lever. The movement of these sleeves controls opening and closing of the throttle valve. Thank you.
Myself Rishikesh Lohar. Now let us talk about the working of the centrifugal governor. So the engine drives the spindle of the governor through bevel gears. When the load on the engine increases, its speed and also the governor's speed decreases. The centrifugal force on the balls decreases and the balls move inwards. As these balls move inwards, the sleeve moves downwards, which causes the throttle valve at the other end of the bell crank lever to increase the supply of working fluid, and thus the engine speed is increased. In this case, the extra power output is provided to balance the increased load. When the load on the engine decreases, the engine and the governor speed increases, which result in increase of centrifugal force on the balls. Thus the balls move outwards and the sleeve rises upwards. This upward movement of the sleeve reduces the supply of working fluid and hence the speed is decreased. In this case, the power output is reduced. So this was all about the working of a centrifugal governor.
Thank you, Rushikesh. Now let's get down to the types of the governor. The governor is mainly classified into two types. First one is centrifugal governor and second one is inertia governor. The centrifugal governor is further classified such as simple wet governor, Porter governor, Porrell governor, Hartnell governor, Wilson Hartnell governor, and the Pickering governor. For the further applications, I would like to hand over to Soham.